In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload high quality video on WhatsApp status. Step 1, you just have to launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So if you want to send a video or message to someone on WhatsApp, you have to make sure that this one is a document type. Step 2, at the top right corner, tap the three dots, go to settings, scroll down, and look for storage and data. Now, step 3, under storage and data, you should see this photo upload quality. Step 4, what you're going to do is to tap this best quality over auto and data saver. So you have to tap that one. And then step 5, so what you're going to do is to click OK. Now, if you tap or choose the settings, whatever you upload or send, for example, video or image, the quality of the video will still be the same. It won't lose the quality of the video. So that's the advantage of choosing the settings. So again, go to your settings, go to storage and data, and then make sure that you choose best quality for your videos and photos. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.